Breakthrough in efficient cutting. Accelerate precision manufacturing. Lonxlaser L4 sheet metal laser cutting machine. Efficient, stable, and reliable. Engineered for smoother, more powerful cutting performance. Dual platform automatic exchange system with an effective work area of 2030*4050 mm. Loading, unloading, and cutting are seamlessly coordinated to reduce waiting time and keep production moving efficiently. The machine bed is integrally welded from multiple steel tubes, ensuring overall stability and smoother operation at high speeds. Standard with 1300 degrees Celsius molded refractory bricks for excellent heat resistance, ensuring stable and durable machine performance during long hours of high-power operation. Ultra-high-pressure extruded aluminum beam with excellent deformation resistance and superior mechanical performance, ensuring long-lasting accuracy. Equipped with dual safety cameras to monitor operating status in real time, which ensures safer and easier operation. The 12mm slat frame design increases load capacity by 80%, ensuring more stable cutting of thick plates. The follow-up laser head protection is combined with dust-proof shield to provide all-around protection for core components. The follow-up exhaust system, paired with optional top air blowing extraction and at-source dust extraction, ensures efficient dust removal with a cleaner, greener process. Ideal for machinery manufacturing, sheet metal processing, hardware, metal crafts, and more. Lonxlaser L4, your efficient, stable, and worry-free solution for sheet metal cutting.